Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any upload. Finally, something positive is happening in Shebeshit's life after going up and down, trying to get out and being denied bail. It has been said that he is the most streamed hip hop artist on Spotify, and this has left so many question marks on people. And now they're asking themselves, what is Shebeshit a hip hop artist or a Likompo? And we all know what he is a Likompo. And I don't know if this is some sort of a mistake or what is going on, but without just trying to come up with some stories, let's just congratulate the guy. Without trying to come up with some stories or what, no, he is not a hip hop artist. He is a what. We all know that he is a Likompo, and yes, for him to be out there on the news, it shows what, yes, he is the most streamed hip hop artist or Likompo artist. I don't even know how to put this because yes, that's how it is out there. Even though this is good news to Ushebeshit, I just feel like it's so sad. It's very sad that and now he have to celebrate his success in prison, obviously with no freedom. It's just a sad thing. And knowing that he have been going up and down trying to apply for bail and being denied, his wife having a baby and him not being able to see the baby is just something else, guys. I don't even want to lie, I just felt sorry for him. And I pray that he find peace within himself and just accept the situation as it is. I wonder how he is feeling at this point, receiving the news that he is the most streamed artist. But at the same time, it's so sad to know that he's not going to celebrate the success with his family. And we all know that he haven't seen his baby, and it's a lot is just going on in this guy's life. But all we can say is congratulations to you.